Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you all sweet blue makeup look. I have already done the base. If you wanna know how I have done the base, there's a separate video and the links will be given in the description. So without doing any ado, let's get started. First we'll apply the eye base. Then take some lighter eyeshadow and apply on the crease and blend. And then we'll cut the crease. All you have to do is be very careful while cutting the crease. And then apply white eyeshadow on it. Then take some blue and apply it next to white and blend. Then take dark blue and apply it on the outer corner of the eye and blend obviously. We'll do the same on the right side. Also, don't forget to blend it in a V shape. Don't forget to blend the white, blue and dark blue. Then take the dark blue and bring it down to the lower lashes and blend it out. Add some highlighter on your inner corner of the eye. Then brush out the fallen eyeshadow under your eye. Then add some pinkish or peachy blush and then highlighter. Highlight your T-zone. Also some mascara. And lipstick. And tada, you're done. Thank you for watching the video guys. If you like the makeup, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon down there. So till then, stay tuned.